Warner Brothers Pictures, the studio that brought you the acclaimed police dramas, Dirty Harry, Training Day, and The Departed, comes a film that carries on the tradition.
You know, there's a right way of doing police work. There's a wrong way of doing it. Then there's a way that you two idiots do it. Did you just fall down the stairs?
No.
Shoot him, Jimmy! He rubbing my titty!
Take your hand off his breast.
Cause I'm the king of the castle.
A new team
You're doing all these badges in the car.
I lose them a lot.
is hitting the streets.
Get out the car!
Because I'm black?
No! Cause you're 10!
11.
Whose car is this?
Your mama's.
Oh!
From Warner Brothers Pictures, Brus Vilis, Trejsi Morgan,
On three.
That's 1, 2, shoot on 3.
1, 2, 3, then shoot.
Man,
It's always 1, 2,
anger
3,
management
then
helps,
shoot.
man. And you know I'm not good at math.
Are you ready?
Yes.
1.
Cop Out,
You act like this dude can be interrogated.
You just steal all these stupid lines that you see on TV and the movies.
King Kong ain't got nothing on me!
Now you're doing training day?
Nobody puts baby in the corner! I'm not gonna shoot you, Frank.